Be the most beautiful girl in the world, but if you don't smell good, it makes you 0 out of 100, and the main problem is that no one will tell you that you smell bad. So you smell bad until you realize that you smell bad. And a special scent for you will make you special. And every time people smell that scent, they will say he is coming. So the smell is very important. People do not forget the smell. So let's get to the point without wasting time in this video. How to always smell good. Showering every day is the most basic step to smelling fresh. When showering, use a shower gel with a scent you like that suits your skin type. Taking care to wash areas that sweat a lot, such as the armpits, feet, and groin, and make sure there is no soap residue. If you want advice, you can use probiotic shower gel. Do not shampoo your hair every day. Instead, shampoo every 2 or 3 days, as this helps to maintain your hair's natural oils. It is also important to use conditioner because conditioner protects the hair from external factors. Shampoo first, then apply conditioner. Also, a morning shower cleanses your body after a night of sweating and makes you smell good. Exfoliating. Both removes dead skin on your body and facilitates the absorption of other products, such as perfume, deodorant. If you want your perfume to last, you should first spray your perfume on the pulse points where the blood flow is high. Perfume spreads where the body temperature is high, both sides of our neck, behind the ears, our wrists. Use moisturizer. If you have dry skin, the perfume will probably not stay on your skin as much as you want. On moist skin, your perfume will spread and stay much more, but make sure the moisturizer is odorless. For a lasting perfume, first soak a Vaseline in boiling water for 5 minutes. You will see that the Vaseline has a liquid consistency. Then squeeze your own perfume into it, then put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours so that it will be a long-lasting scent. Brush your teeth and tongue twice a day. Oral hygiene plays an important role in how fresh you feel overall. Brush your teeth thoroughly at least twice a day, and don't forget to brush your tongue, where bacteria can build up, and floss daily to remove food particles trapped between your teeth. If you are out and about, carry breath mints or gum for a quick pick-me-up. Fresh breath is a must-have for feeling bad breath. We already know that brushing your teeth twice a day is important. You can also use electric toothbrushes for a better cleaning so that you have fresh breath all day long, especially if you have leftover food in your mouth, which causes a disgusting odor. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think about this video and what you would like to see in the next video.